Looking for portable seating that doesn't take up space but offers reliable support wherever you go? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 folding stools that deliver both compact convenience and serious durability. Let's begin with the COOZMENT 18-inch folding stool, a standout for those who need solid, dependable seating without the bulk. This stool is constructed from high-density polyethylene plastic and can support up to 550 pounds, making it suitable for both adults and kids. It folds down to just 3 inches thick, so it easily fits into tight storage spots like car trunks, closets, or even backpacks. A built-in carry handle makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're heading to an outdoor event, fishing trip, or simply need extra seating at a family gathering, users appreciate its slip-resistant feet and durable hinge design, which makes it stable even on uneven ground. The COOZMENT stool is ideal for anyone who wants hassle-free, instant seating with excellent weight capacity. Next up is the JAEMEYEM 2025 upgraded collapsible stool, which takes portability and adjustability to another level. This telescopic stool offers adjustable height and can support up to 660 pounds, which is among the highest in its class. It folds into a compact disc shape and can be carried using the attached shoulder strap. Perfect for tailgating, camping, or standing in long lines, the JAEMEYEM stool adjusts quickly to various height levels depending on your need. While a few users noted that the locking mechanism can feel stiff initially, it becomes more fluid with regular use. The key appeal here is the stool's versatility. It adapts to different scenarios and users, making it ideal for families or frequent travelers who want a single stool for multiple situations. Our third pick is the NUMANU portable collapsible stool, a lightweight option built with practicality in mind. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, this stool balances portability and strength, making it a go-to for hikers, beachgoers, or commuters. The collapsible design allows it to be folded down in seconds, and it includes a carry bag and carabiner clip for easy attachment to backpacks or belts. The NUMANU stool is also known for its user-friendly design. It's simple to extend and lock in place, and the sturdy plastic construction handles rugged terrain well. Reviewers often praise it for being their go-to stool at festivals, outdoor movie nights, and kids' sports events. If you need compact seating that's built to move with you, this stool won't disappoint. Coming in fourth is the adjustable telescopic collapsible stool, which features one of the most versatile designs on the market. It offers height adjustability from 3.5 inches all the way up to 20.4 inches, making it suitable for both children and adults. The stool folds into a 10-inch diameter disc and weighs just around 1 kilogram, making it ideal for lightweight travel or field use. Its high-strength plastic and interlocking segments ensure stability, while the non-slip base provides added safety on slick surfaces. This model is especially favored by those working in outdoor or remote environments like surveyors, birdwatchers, or photographers. Its ability to adjust to various heights makes it one of the most adaptable stools in the market today. Lastly, we have the 5RCOM 24-inch folding stool, which is designed for people who need a taller seat without compromising on strength. Supporting up to 550 pounds, this stool is excellent for garage work, high-top counters, or use in professional kitchens. It includes a locking mechanism for extra stability and a solid footrest for comfort during long periods of sitting. The taller design doesn't make it any less portable. It still folds flat for easy storage and transport. Many users who spend long hours on DIY projects or cooking at elevated stations find this stool extremely reliable and comfortable.